वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं दी नाइन्थ न्यूमेरिकल फ्रॉम दी एक्सरसाइज फॉर द चैप्टर साउंड, जो कि है एक चैप्टर हमारे 11th स्टैंडर्ड फिजिक्स का। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन सेज अ पुलिस कार ट्रैवल्स टुवर्ड्स अ स्टेशनरी ऑब्जर्वर at a speed of 15 meters per second. The siren on the car emits a sound of frequency 250 Hz. Calculate the recorded frequency provided the speed of sound is 340 meters per second. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन जहां पर हमारा सोर्स जो है वो स्टेशनरी नहीं होता है, दैट इज अ मूविंग सोर्स। ठीक है, सो लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस वेरी वेरी इजी एंड अ वेरी वेरी स्मॉल न्यूमेरिकल। लेट्स राइट ऑल द गिवन डेटा। क्या क्या गिवन डेटा है? फर्स्ट हमें गिवन है इज द स्पीड ऑफ आवर सोर्स, तो हम उसे लिखते हैं यूजिंग द सिंबल वी एस, एंड द स्पीड ऑफ सोर्स इज सेड टू बी 15 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड। आप देख सकते हो दोनों ही यूनिट्स जो है ऐसा यूनिट है, सो नो नीड फॉर यूनिटरी कन्वर्जन। सेकेंड इज हमें पता है द एक्चुअल फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द सोर्स, and this actual frequency का symbol is n0 or n0, small n0, and this frequency of source is 250 hertz. Hertz again is an SI unit, no need for conversion. इसी के साथ साथ question gives us the speed of the sound, जिसको हम represent करते हैं using the symbol small v, and this is 340 meters per second, again SI unit. Using this quantity, question asks us specifically to calculate the recorded frequency. As you know, whenever the source is moving, जो frequency source produce करता है and जो frequency record होती है towards observer, उसमें difference होता है. So ये जो difference वाली frequency है वही हमें ढूंढनी है. So we have to find the recorded frequency and उसका जो symbol होता है that is r small n. So I'm gonna write recorded frequency and the symbol of that frequency is r small n. So this is unknown to us, and let's try to figure out what sort of formulas we can use to calculate this recorded frequency. Well, as you know, one thing we have to note when it is a question of traveling or moving source कि source कैसे move कर रहा है. So question में बोला है कि source is moving towards our observer. So इस case में जो formula होता है for the recorded frequency n is equal to the actual frequency n0 into the speed of sound divided by speed of sound minus the speed of source or the vehicle. So this is the formula because our source is moving towards the stationary object. So source is moving towards observer. अगर ये उल्टा होता था, if source was moving away from observer, तो हमारा formula थोड़ा different होता था. So whenever you do questions of such cases where the source is moving, it's always important to know source कैसे move कर रहा है. ठीक है, so ये formula है and as you can see इस formula में जो जो quantities लग रहे हैं वो सारे quantities हमें given है. So let's quickly substitute all these values and try to find our recorded frequency. Moving to our calculation, we make a small statement from formula number 1. We get the formula to calculate the recorded frequency. So यहाँ पर n, that is the recorded frequency, is equal to the actual frequency, that is 250, into speed of sound, which was 340, the whole divided by speed of sound minus the speed of source, which was 50. ठीक है, so let's try to simplify this equation. So we get 250 into 340, we are opening the bracket, and इसका जो denominator होगा that would be 340 minus 15, this gives us 325. Now if you notice 250 और 325 दोनों ही 25 से divisible है, so 250 tens are and 25 tens are and 25 13s are 325. So दोनों को 25 से divide कर दिया है. So because of this, and then 10 into 34 340 gives us 3400, and the whole divided by 30. And if you solve this, our answer is 261.54 hertz. So this is the recorded frequency at our source due to a source moving towards it at the speed of 15 meters per second. And that's it. यही हमें ढूंढना था. This is the recorded frequency. If you want the PDF of this solution, make sure to check out the description. Have a nice day.